You know who's not complaining? The majors where we're not increasing the fees. And the only way we could do that is by distributing the true cost of education to where it is. So that, you know, my daughter was an art history major at Emory, and her tuition went up furiously over the time she was there. And the reason is it was increasingly expensive to pay for engineering and the medical school and the basic sciences, when it wasn't that expensive to pay for English and history and many other disciplines. So at some point we're looking at the true cost of providing an education to an engineering student as well as to a history major, for example, and trying to distribute those costs so you don't bill everybody, if you will, for the extra expenses in certain areas. Having said that, we every fee that is, if you will, mandated is accrued by the Board of Trustees. And no one is more sensitive to the cost of education within the university than the board. And so we take those increases very, very seriously and try to keep them within reason.